Hello everybody, welcome back to Mammoth Interactive. We are going to look at this month's Unreal Asset free content for the month of August. Here are our usual sets of free plugins. We're going to have our architectural environments, plugin based, blueprints based, and material based free content for this month. So we're going to go through the first one, The Big Office by 1D Studio. It says here, the environment of a modern company with an area of about 800 square meters with all sections and high quality equipment. This does look really good. Let's take a look. And you can see here you have not only an office, but basically just a general office building environment from the cafeteria, your typical office spaces, maybe a more different style design, and your top roof. We can see here all the details and the props that are used for the environment. Oh yeah, you got some hallways here that you can use. This actually looks really cool. I really like how the lighting works here. This is basically a different kind of office space that you can use if you don't want to use the other one. And here is the more general eating place, not really a cafeteria like I said, but it's more just like where people go to the break room, and just a nice potted plant because it adds decoration. I don't know what the yellow lines are about though. Oh, this is another nice reading area. I actually wonder if this is all just one floor. Actually, oh yeah, even like actual restrooms. That's really cool. You can basically use this whole area as like some kind of test level for some sort of video game based, or maybe even like if you want to make a movie, use or some kind of movie in Unreal Engine, you can use this as your environment. You even got your meeting rooms here that you can use. Yeah, look at the level of detail here on the materials, on the desk. This all looks really good. This is par for the course in your typical workspace environment. You got your very abstract looking paintings. You got your nice minimalist designs, everything. Oh, this is cool. The guests. This has a lot more going on than the first images let you believe. Ooh, oh, this is cool. Oh, Team D. You can separate people in different working environments. That's actually pretty cool. Ooh, a nice like open window meeting room with TV on. That's wow, yeah. This is it even's got like security cameras that you can use. You can do a lot of things in here. This all looks pretty impressive. I have to wonder if it's like modular, or like you can take different pieces, or if it's just like one set architecture place. This is the balcony. Nice, very nice. I like all the different looking books. Oh, they even got like their little game room. That's pretty cool actually. Oh, a little ping pong room in the locker room. Interesting place to pick a place to leave your ping pong table, but okay. And yeah, here we go. These are all the little modular stuff if you want to assemble the office space in whatever way you want to. And as you can see here, each of the rooms has their own light source. But yeah, you can basically, if you don't like the one that's already been made for you, you can just assemble it however you want to. And that's that. Let's see what else is in the descriptions. There's actually videos that you can check out here. Okay, includes 18 different spaces with equipment related to the environment, low poly objects with high quality textures and materials. That is really good. I honestly could not tell these were low poly. Security unit, waiting room, 2 guest lounges, 1 VIP, 3 workstations, secretary room and conference room, library, 7 manager's room, restroom, terrace, ventilation facilities, playroom, and a coffee shop. All here. All here in this one single level. Isn't that amazing? Did it just instant VR? There shouldn't be a problem. Oh, okay. Could also be VR compatible. You can basically, this is basically a whole level that you can like interact in your VR. Oh, now I'm thinking of like if you ever wanted to enhance the experience of remote working, you can basically make a virtual office that people can go to. Oh man, imagine that. And the next one, this one is a blueprints based plugin, and it's looking really good. Like it really has my attention here. An open world RPG toolkit. Diverse interaction with the world. So basically, as you know, most of the popular games today tend to be open world, and that's basically become like kind of like a standard of different games nowadays. And you know, whatever you think of that idea, you know, the fact is that most people like to do it. So this is basically an easy to manage plugin that can get you into the mindset of how to create open world games. And as you can see, all the important stuff is here. You got your, what I'm guessing is a free camera. You can move your character anywhere you want. You got your typical waypoints, inventory, your map on the bottom left corner, your HP, another map here. Got all your waypoints, your markers. Very nice, very nice. This is obviously the most basic stuff. I'm pretty sure you can customize this, or maybe even use the blueprints in a completely different level, however you want. And it even has like quest givers. Oh, and it's even got a separate kind of level. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it looks like this is using more customized assets, and it's even got like a starting menu. They seem to have a lot of video content that you can take a look at on their YouTube channel. Very nice. And they got other projects apparently. 47 blueprints. Wow. Oh, this is their features. Yeah, world map, compass, quest system. Pretty straightforward as you can see, but still very impressive. And next one we got another environment-based plugin called the Storage House Set. Storage House Set contains all essential objects for creating believable and detailed warehouse interior environments with a modular approach and photorealistic look, giving you an enjoyable experience while building levels on your game. Yeah, this definitely has as many props and details that you would think you would need for your store-based level, storehouse-based level. I do like how the reflection looks in the floor. That is actually really nice. You even got like little post-it notes, and the level of detail in the textures is really impressive. I would certainly love to see something like this. Maybe use it in the with your open world environment plugin. That's some good lighting right there. As we can see here, there's also some extra other parts here. Some more hidden, more creepier looking areas. The very thin and narrow hallways of a storage room with many boxes and not a lot of light. Really cool, really cool. I can see people making more spookier based games with this part of the level. Oh, look at that. I wonder, is that something that's in the environment already, or like did someone add it in? Because that is interesting. A damaged part of the environment. That's pretty cool. Very nice. You can keep seeing here. And we're looking at things from the outside here. Oh, okay. Yeah, I was wondering what were these things that were floating around, but okay, we're looking at things from the outside basically. Wow, that is really darkly lit. And that is the damaged environment. Okay, it's a pretty big place. Like this isn't even covering the whole place, I think, and it looks pretty big. And yep, here are all the pieces. If you want to arrange things however you like to. And it even has like some yellowish walls. So if you want to make your own backroom style level, you got it right here. And all of your items and stuff that you would need in as many different colors as possible. And obviously your empty boxes, your fire extinguishers, your special lines here. It's really considering a lot of stuff here that you might need and stuff. Oh wait, what is this? Depot area, storehouse zone, sector. Oh, it even has like letters that you can like put on the walls. That's wow. It's got its own video, detail prop screenshots, panoramic screenshots. Storage House Set provides AAA quality customizable set of assets perfect for developing environments of any warehouse storage locations. Also, you'll find fully dressed demo map with an intention to show possibilities of the content and overview map with all assets in the pack. Yeah, as we saw, like the environment that's already been made has a lot of variety, from your normal, better lit places to your narrow hallways, to your more spookier places where it's all darkly lit, to your damaged environment. Everything here has a pretty big variety of colors. Nice. So yeah, you can completely go wild with this whole thing and just do what you want with it. Over here next we have something slightly different. This is your code-based plugin for the month for MySQL Integration. Made by Athenian Games, MySQL Integration is a plugin that lets you connect your Unreal Engine problems with MySQL Server, easily execute queries from blueprints to store and retrieve data from your database. Easily set your server connection properties with either Windows Authentication or MySQL Server Authentication. Okay, this is obviously a lot more technical stuff, but this is probably going to be very helpful for some people. Build your own query strings and pass it as a string input to the function update data from query to insert, update, and delete data from the database. It's database stuff. That's right. Easily fetch data from the server by building a select query and passing the query string to the function select data from query. So this is obviously basically helping you have easier connection to an SQL database. The MySQL Integration plugin lets you store and retrieve data for your MySQL server. Build your own queries and select and update data from your database directly from blueprints. No restriction in query information. Any query working inside MySQL client works here, which means that you can select and update multiple data at once, use joins and subqueries, as well as create and drop tables via blueprints. So, if you got like a lot of information and knowledge on MySQL, you can now use it to make it work with Unreal Engine. There you go, making things more accessible for everybody. That's really cool. So yeah, obviously something more technical based, but I can see how you can use this to help you in handling information in your own server, and you can just connect it to SQL. And the last one, and certainly not least, is a interesting looking shader, a cartoon water shader by Sand Vector Studios. Cartoon water shader is an easy to use, highly stylized water material and river tools with many features. All right, let's take a look. So yeah, as you can see from this first one, very nice and very colorful, very cartoony looking environment. Oh, look at that. Here's just water going down as like a big lake. Here's just a much smaller lake with a piece of the tree on there. You can see the I see what they mean. Like it definitely looks like the waterfalls are like 2D animated here from different angles. That's actually really cool. Oh, you can also see things from underwater itself. Wow. And over here is your modules. It's a little bit more simpler, but I'm gonna assume that the waterfall here actually is animated and you can assemble it how you want. And mobile version. Oh wow, so you can like even put this in a phone. That's amazing. And over here you can see like right the split between the upper place and underwater. Nice. Oh, and yeah, that was all there was to it. Let's see. You got your videos and tutorials, sailing mechanics. Okay, how to use underwater, waterline and tiles over video. It's had a lot of updates. It's on 2.3 right now. Look at that. Whoa, they're keeping up with this since this has been released for almost 5 years now. Actually, yeah, for 5 years by now. And it's still being updates and being worked on. Okay, so this is mostly used for water-based or underwater-based environments. Okay, underwater and buoyancy in the river only works if the river is flat. Waterline is currently not supported for river. Oh, okay. You want to make your water look nice? You want to make it look like a nice cartoony environment? Well, there you go. So this has been all 5 of the new temporary free content for this month from Unreal Engine. If you can look at like the original price for some of them, you are actually saving quite a lot of money. Like this is probably the storage house set alone is over $100, and you basically getting this all for free. So I hope you like this video over watching all the new ads stuff. If you like this video, please leave a comment and a like down below and subscribe as well. I hope you like this video, and we'll see you on the next one.